The Formax FD2054 Pressure Sealer. The FD2054 provides the ultimate high-volume tabletop solution for processing pressure-sensitive one-piece mailers. Pressure seal forms can be used wherever a document can be printed and folded on one sheet, eliminating the cost of envelopes and creating a sealed, mail-ready piece. The FD2054 is fully automated and processes up to 16,450 forms per hour, with an integrated telescoping conveyor capable of holding up to 500 processed forms at a time. User-friendly features include automatic fold settings to detect and adjust for various form sizes up to 11 by 17 inches, 5 pre-programmed standard folds, and the ability to store up to 35 custom fold settings with the simple touch of a button. The FD2054 also utilizes a drop-in feed system for dependable feeding of forms with no paper fanning required. The large LCD display and user-friendly control panel allow for operators to walk up and start processing pressure seal forms with little to no instruction. Operation. With the FD2054, a variety of pressure seal forms can be processed in no time with just a few simple steps. Lower the feed tray and load printed pressure seal forms. Press the Fold Select button to choose a standard 11-inch, 14-inch, or 17-inch fold and adjust the speed setting. Press the One Time button to process a single form for inspection. All set? Press the Start button to begin processing. Forms are folded, sealed, and ready for the mail in one easy step. The FD2054's advanced software allows for all standard fold types and paper sizes to be customized to meet your particular needs. Additionally, up to 35 custom fold settings can be stored into memory for non-standard folds. The telescoping conveyor stacker can be used in the closed position for tight spaces, or fully extended to hold up to 500 folded and sealed forms. In addition, fully automated stacker wheels eliminate the need for manual adjustment when switching between form sizes and fold types. The FD2054 offers proven technology, is proudly made in the USA, and is an ideal solution for streamlining your mail.